Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining about notching press working operation. So notching is a press working cutting operation where we remove material from the edge or corner of a sheet metal using a set of punch and die. So this is the figure of notching operation, where we can see that this is die and this is punch and this is sheet metal, and when we apply force on the punch removes material from the sheet metal and of course from the edge or corner of the sheet metal. Here we can see the product of the notching operation. The material have been removed from the edge of the sheet metal. Here we can see clearly, here also we can see clearly the sheet metal has been removed from the edge of the sheet metal, or we can remove material from the corner of the sheet metal. If we remove material from the middle portion, any side of the middle portion of the sheet metal, then it will not be notching operation, it will be blanking or punching operation. So notching is a sheet metal cutting process used in manufacturing to remove material from the edge or corner of a workpiece. So we have to remove material from edge or corner of the sheet metal to justify this operation called notching. Typically, to create a specific shape or profile, we are creating specific shape and profile, then we will do the notching operation. This operation is performed using a press machine equipped with a punch and die, similar to other cutting processes like blanking and punching. This is like other cutting operations like blanking and punching, but in blanking and punching we remove material from the any middle portion of the material, not from the corner or edge. But in notching operation we are removing material from only corner or only from edge. So this is a versatile and efficient process in metal fabrication, allowing manufacturers to quickly and accurately remove material to create specific shapes and prepare parts for subsequent manufacturing steps. So this is notching operation. Let's now see the applications of this notching process. First one is prepping corners. So when we are doing notching operation, we are actually preparing the corners of sheet metal parts for further forming operations like bending or folding. So we are doing the notching operation to create another workpiece or another machine component by folding or deforming that material. Next one is creating tabs or flanges. By removing material along an edge, notching can create tabs or flanges that are then bent into shape. Next is part assembly. Notches can be used to create interlocking features in parts that will be assembled together. This is another application. Next one is metal fabrication. In industries like automotive, aerospace and construction, notching is used to create profiles in sheet metal parts for frames, supports and enclosures. So these are the applications of notching operation. So here in this video I have discussed about the notching press working operation. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.